Every great story begins with a humble beginning. Today we pause to reflect with grace and give thanks with gratitude for the remarkable story of our church. Our journey began in the late 1950s when the first believers gathered in humble homes, praying, worshiping, and dreaming of a church that would one day stand as a light in the community.
Assembly of God Church San Francisco was founded by Pastor Salvador Sibuala with his family along Barangay 5 National Highway.
In the 1960s, the church was first led by Pastor Salvador Sibuala and was passed to short-term pastors, which are Pastor Ogok, Pastor Pedroso, and Pastor Castillo, Pastor Reveche, and Pastor Unclara. Their time may have been brief, but their contributions were lasting.
Sa early years, ang giatubang sa simbahan na wala pa gyud siya ingon nga kaugalingon nga luti o simbahan.
The church stood near the present Free Methodist area, along the Davao-Butuan Highway, in a simple bamboo and wood structure. In 1975, it was moved to a new location and rebuilt as a concrete church with the support of the Oriental Missionary Crusade, giving the congregation a lasting home.
Tugdan ang mga pagtudlo sa mga kabataan, gitawag to siya sa School of Trades nga evangelism. So naanay nanghitabo nga mga Bible studies na dugangan ang mga pamilya from a single family doon nagka-dugang-dugang doon na po yung mga additional workers at the time nga nakatabang sa palambo sa bulaton sa Ginoo.
In the 1980s, Pastor George Subiera and his wife, Pastora Marnet Subiera, were called to lead the church.
Ang pinaka bugat kaayong nahitabo sa katuigan sa pagdumala mo ang paghimo og mga regular crusades barangay to barangay. Ang lukop-lukop good almost the whole province.
Together, they have faithfully guided the congregation through every transition, challenge, and season of growth to the present day. And in 2008, through the San Francisco Assistance for Kids Development Center and Compassion International Partnership, a new building rose, strong, welcoming, and ready for generations to come.
Ang grasya sa Ginoo, good ma-talk na, very sufficient in grace. Tungod kay sa pagsugod pa lamang nakaplagan nga gikan sa yano kaayong simbahan pinulpog lang or sinasa nga kawayan until this day na barog ang simbahan na konkreto na siya, established na siya o fully equipped sa mga galamiton. So far, ang church naka-provide og daghang kayong pastors mga workers o limang malambuon by God's grace.
Faith grows when it reaches beyond the church walls. In 1985, the first daughter church was established in San Isidro. Alegria and Hubang followed in 1990, Damilag in 1995, and from 2020 to 2025, Mount Zion, Ancient Path, Sumugbong, and Santa Ana joined the growing family, each a living testimony of God's grace.
Ang saad sa Ginoo, naging siya, His mercy endures forever. So, gikan sa paggunan sa simbahan nato sa umalabot ng mga kaliwatan sa mga lagad sa Ginoo, never stop serving God, dili ka dali na mag-give up sa mga problema ng kapugaton atong atubangon ang kinabuhi dalaang buhing taglaom sa pagpanalagad sa Ginoo. Nihatagan gyud nato og dakong paglantaw ang eternity.
This is the story of God's grace and His faithful people whose light has never faded. We give thanks for every life touched, every prayer answered, and every soul renewed. By grace we stand, and by gratitude we rise. To God be the glory.